Today we are discussing multiplying powers with the same bases as part of our multiplication properties of exponents. A quick review. In the power x squared, x here is our base, and the 2 is our exponent, also known as the power. Our rule or property when multiplying powers with the same base, for every non-zero number a and integers m and n, a to the m times a to the n equals a to the m plus n. Our first example here, I'd like to prove to you. We have example 1, 5 squared times 5 squared, since 5 is the base and is the same, equals 5 to the 2 plus 2, or 5 to the 4th power. Now, one way that we can prove this is by multiplying. 5 squared is 25 times 5 squared is 25 equals 5 to the 4th, which is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 is 625. And both of those are true. So now we're going to look at some that involve variables. Example 2. We've got b squared times b to the 3rd is going to equal b, which is our base. It was the same, so we can do this, to the 2 plus 3, or b to the 5th power. Okay, example 3. We've got m to the 7th times m to the negative 3 is going to equal m to the 7 minus 3, or m to the 4th. Now, some examples we will have, not only we will have our base, which in this case is a, but we will also have a number out in front, which is a coefficient. Well, there's a special way of handling those coefficients. If we pull those out, multiply them together, and as long as our base that we have here, a squared and a, always remember that a is the same as a to the 1st power. This now becomes 3 times 2, a to the 2 plus 1 power, or 6 times a to the 3rd power. It's 3 times 2 become the 6, and the 2 plus 1, that gave us our exponent of 3. Okay. Alright, let's move on down. Example 5 here. I've got multiple bases, x and y. Here I am dealing with 2 different bases. I've got a x here, and a y here. Here is my x's here and there, and my y's are here and here. So, just like we did before, we will pull out all of our coefficients, our 2 from here, times 3 times 4. X is one base, and then I'm going to add its exponents, 3 and -1. And my next base is y, so it comes down here, and all of its exponents, a 1 and a 1, even though it's not there, we know it's really there. It's understood to be there. And we multiply our coefficients, we add our exponents, and it gives us our final answer of 24 x squared y squared. Thank you and have a good weekend.